Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Sergey from Russia and I improve my English with this YouTube channel. And today I want to teach you how to make amazing effect when you go anywhere and there are some copies of you and you enter in your copy and then your copy go and then this copy is entering in another copy and go on to go anywhere. Uh, I want to show you a couple a couple examples. Let's look. You can see three copies of a boy, and look, the boy is entering in his copy and go away. Here you can see another example without chair. Here you can see example with a girl. She enters in herself and then her copy is going away. And I have this shot with another girl and I would like to tell you how to make this effect. It's not difficult. I think you will make it easy. It would be better if you record your video with 60 frames per second, because because your copies of the man or of the woman will be more sharpened. And if I shot it for 30 frames per second, and you can see that frames is not sharpened. You can see this effect. But we will try to make this effect as with this shot, with this video. First of all, you need to choose the frame which will be freeze frame, and you need to make freeze frame. We press Shift F and then we press Option F and we get the freeze frame, but we need this freeze frame not after the playhead but before. So I move this freeze frame before playhead. Here it is. If you turn off snapping effect, you have to turn on it because your frame, your clip will be snap to the to your playhead. We don't need this part of the clip, so I press Option left bracket to increase this part, to decrease this part. So we need to effect draw mask. There is in the masks category. Look here, draw mask, and we need to put it on this clip. So we see this tool, and with this tool we need to draw this girl all around. So I start with, for example, from her hand. I click here, then here, then here, and you need to increase the zoom for example, to 200%, and you can move your frame with viewer navigator, and then you need to continue to go on drawing to draw all around this girl. So if you record your video, if you make your video with 60 frames per second, this this object will be more sharp. And you can see I shot this this video with 30 frames per second, and it's not sharp, but the effect will be good, I think. It's not easy to draw in the bottom of the frame, and so we have to decrease zoom to, for example, 50%, and then we write here and then continue here and increase again, increase zoom again. It's not difficult, but you need a lot of time to make this line better. So I decrease zoom again to write here, to write outside the frame, and then continue on the frame. So I increase again, increase zoom again. When you will try to make this effect, I think you will write this mask more accurate. You have to make it accurate to make this effect better. So we finished to write draw mask, and so I decrease the zoom to fit to zoom, and you can we need to decrease further. For example, to -3 points, and then I select bottom video, and so our effect is done. Look here, dun, 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 dun. She enters to herself, and then her copy is going there. If you want, you can make this copy not so you can decrease opacity of this copy, and it will be look like a ghost here. For example, opacity decreased to 70, for example, and you can see the wall under this copy, and maybe it will be more interesting. Oh, If you want, you can make another copy. So you need to put your playhead on this place, then you press Shift F, then Option F, then you move your playhead here in the beginning of this clip, and then you move the freeze frame in the left of playhead. And if you don't need this part of the clip, you have to press option left bracket to decrease this part, to cut this part, and then you put draw mask effect here, and then we writing all around the girl, and we get another copy of her. So I hope that you understand what I was telling about, and I believe that you will try to make this effect on your computer, and I believe that it will get as you want. Please subscribe, press like button, and answer a question. I will try to answer on it, of course, in English. And let's see in the another video. Goodbye.